Okay. In today's session, we are going to discuss about some subnetting problems in class C and B. Okay. So, yes. So a given question is subnet the IP address into 52 hosts in each subnet. Okay. So the given IP address is actually 192.10.20.0. So this is a given IP address. So we need to subnet this IP address for 52 hosts. So number of hosts is 52. Okay. Okay. Now our first step is we need to identify the class from the given IP address. So our given IP address is 192.10.20.0. Obviously, this IP address belongs to class C. And now we know that default subnet mask is default subnet mask is for class C is 255.255.255.0. That is three octets for network ID, network, and the last one is for hosts. Okay. Now the second step is that we need to convert this into binary format. So binary format 255 is 8 ones. 2, 3, 8 dot 1, 2, 3 dot dot zeros. Okay. So now we have converted the given the default subnet mask to binary format. Yes. Now a third step is number of hosts required. Number of hosts required is 52 hosts. So we need to convert this 52 into binary format. So what is the value we are getting? The binary format for 52 is 11010. Okay, into binary format. So how many number of bits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits. So we need to reserve 6 bits, 6 zeros we need to reserve. Okay. Reserve zeros. Okay. Now, yeah, we can write the new subnet mask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So six zeros. That is from the right hand side we need to. So 2 ones. Remaining zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So from this sorry. Yes. Yeah, we can now write the new subnet mask. Yeah, the first one encountering. So this is the first one. Okay. So this is the first one we are encountering. So the position is 2 bar 0, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 2 power 6 means subnet generator is 64. So now we have found the subnet generator, that is 64. Now the octet position. So in which octet position we have found the subnet generator, that is this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So fourth position. So in this position only we are going to find the subnet range. Okay, the subnet range. We can move this. Yeah, now we can write network ranges. So network ranges starts from, so what is our IP? 196.10.20.0, right? So our subnet generator is, we got 64. So 0 to 63. That will be our first subnet. This 64 subnets we need to split. Okay, so this is the first subnet. The next subnet is 64, right? So 196.10.20.64. Again 64 we have to divide. 196.10.20.128. Like that again. 196.10.20.192. Okay. So actually what is this? This is our first subnet, second subnet, third and fourth. Okay. Yes. So this is our first subnet, starts from this and it ends the before address of the next subnet. So what is it then? 196.10.20.63. Likewise, 190, 196.10.20.127. And here 196.10.20.191. And after 192, we have 256, no? So the buffer address is 196.10.20.255. So these are all the different subnets. Okay. So this is the first subnet, second subnet, third subnet, fourth subnet. This is the first address for the first subnet, last address for the first subnet. So this is actually your network address. So for this one, so this is actually this is one subnet. So for the first subnet, we can write the network address. What is the network address? 196.10.20.0. What is the broadcast address? The last address is broadcast address. Always the first address will be your network address and the last address will be your broadcast address. So what is the last address? 196.10.20.63. So the usable address, so these two address you won't touch, no? So the usable address, next address is 196.10.20.1, 196 dot 10 dot 20 dot 2, so on. Okay, this is for first subnet. Likewise, we can write for the further subnets also. Okay. Yes, next we can discuss about the second problem. Subnet the IP address. Second problem. Subnet the given IP address 150.15.0.0. This is the given IP address into how many number of hosts? 500. 500 of hosts in the each subnet. Okay. So what is the first step? First step, we need to find the given IP address belongs to which class. So 150 means it belongs to class B. So class B. What is the default subnet mask for class B? Default subnet mask for class B is in class B we have two network ID and two host ID. Okay. So that means 255.255.0.0. Now we need to convert this into binary format. 8 ones, then zeros. Okay. Yes. Now the number of hosts required for subnet. What is it? 500 it is given. Number of hosts required is 500. Now we need to convert this 500 into binary format. So what is the value we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So this is the binary format for 500. How many number of bits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally, it is 9 bits. Okay. So what is our subnet generator? Before that, we need to write the new subnet mask, right? So we need to reserve 9 bits. So 9 bits means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 bits we need to reserve. So here we have 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now how to find new subnet mask? Okay. So 9 bits we are reserving. So the first one encountering the position. The first one encountering position. This starts from 2 power 0, 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is value is 2. So subnet generator is 2. So we need to subnet the network to divide the network to two networks. We have to divide it. Then what is the octet position? Octet position, the position where we are getting the subnet generator, that is actually, it is happening here in third octet. 1, 2, 3. So the octet position is 3. So octet position is now 3. Yes, now we can write the new default subnet mask also, like just in a decimal notation, 255 dot 255 dot 254 dot 0. Okay. If it is slash notation means number of ones, that is slash 23 will be getting. So now we can write network ranges. So network ranges starting from the first address is 150 dot 15 dot 0 dot 0. Okay. So we are getting the subnet generator as 2. So 2 2 in octet position 3. That means 150 dot 15 dot 2 dot 0, 150 dot 15 dot 4 2 4, like that, 6 8 0, then 150 dot 15 dot 6 dot 0, 15 dot 8 dot 0. All these are subnets. First subnet, second, third, fourth, with the subnet. Okay. So now we can write the range. The previous value, 150 dot 15 dot 1 dot 255. The previous address for this address, that is the before address. Likewise here, 150 dot 15 dot 3 dot 255. Likewise, 150 dot 15 dot 5 dot 255. 150 dot 15 dot 7 dot 255. Then 9 dot 255 will be going on. Okay, so these are the network ranges for the given IP address. Hope you all have understand the subnetting problem from class C and class B. Thank you.